everybody, it's Adam again. JetSki is up on the trailer, probably going to be up there for the rest of the season now. The days are getting colder and the days are also getting shorter. And we're probably done with the JetSki for the season, but we took it for one last ride in the sunset. I want to take you guys along for the ride. Not really doing any wrenching on the JetSki this time. It's running perfect, just in time to put it away for the winter time. But I wanted to put a nice video out there of a relaxing sunset cruise. And that'll be pretty much it for the JetSki content this season. And then next season, though, we'll get back into it again, and we'll probably have to wrench on it to get it running perfect again next summer. But really just wanted to kind of go back to the roots on the channel here and just do a ride-along video in this one. So enjoy the video. Thanks again for tuning in this summer. Really hope you enjoyed the JetSki content as well as all the other automotive content on the channel. And hope you tune back in next season for the JetSki content as well. Take care. what happens? I look down and I check the camera and it's all off kilter and then I fall.